In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, you need to open Settings and hit Display and Brightness available here. Now scroll down a tiny bit to hit Font. And finally, operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. Make sure to tap on Apply when you're ready, because without it your changes won't be saved. So when I tap, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!